19, there are two parts. Okay. All right. So they have a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, with the first number being 19. They have 3 numbers in between that they don't tell you. And the 5th number is 47. Okay? So these 3 numbers in between are what they call an arithmetic means. So basically, to find the arithmetic means, you need to find out what numbers would fit or disperse evenly in between those numbers to make it an arithmetic sequence. So think about this. We're jumping, right? We're increasing by a common difference each time. How many increases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first thing I do is I'm going to find the total spread. I'm going to find out the total distance from 19 to 47. So I go 47 minus 19, and that comes out to be 28. Now I'm going to divide that number by the number of jumps, which in this case is 4. And that's going to give me my common difference. That's going to give me my common difference. Okay? So, if I take 19 and I add 7 to that, I wind up getting 26. And if I add 7 to that, I wind up getting 33. And if I add 7 to that, I wind up getting 40. And then to check, if I add 7 to that, I should wind up with the last number, which in this case is 47. So that's the answer, 26, 33, and 40. That's for A. Okay? Doing the same thing with B. Here my low number, my first term is 13. Then I've got 4 numbers that I don't know. And then I have 61. Okay? So again, we look at the increases. So I'm increasing once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. So the first thing I do is I find my total spread between the numbers. So I go 61 minus 13. So 61 minus 13 is going to give me 48. Okay? And then I divide that by the number of increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I divide that by 5. Well, this isn't going to come out pretty. It comes out to be 9.6. So if I increase 13 by 9.6, that's going to give me 22.6. May write it a little bit larger here, 22.6. If I increase that by 9.6, that's going to give me 32.2. If I increase that by 9.6, that's going to give me 41.8. If I increase that by 9.6, if I increase that by 9.6, it gives me 51.4. And if I increase that by 9.6, it winds up giving me 61. So I know those numbers are correct. So that means my arithmetic means then is going to be 22.6, 32.2, 41.8, 51.4. And again, the steps: find the total spread between the two numbers, and once you find that number, divide by the number of increases. So I'm increasing once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times.